Hey guys, this is your Chess Weather Forecast, and today we're going to be talking about an upcoming potentially major severe weather outbreak that will likely be occurring in the south into the Great Lakes region over the next few days. Before we get into this, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. About 75% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed, so please click the subscribe button if you like weather-related content, and hit the notification bell if you do not want to miss a single upload. Let's get right into this. The Storm Prediction Center currently has a level 3 of 5 enhanced severe weather risk for portions of Oklahoma and Texas. Cities included are Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Norman, Broken Arrow, all those bigger cities in the orange region, which currently has a higher severe weather risk, but there is also still a pretty big severe risk in the level 2 slight risk, which includes Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Garland, and other cities. There is a 10% tornado risk with a 10% significant tornado risk in the Oklahoma-Texas vicinity. And in that black hatched region there, that is where you will most likely see the highest chance for strong to deadly tornadoes that could potentially touch down. And that 5% risk region surrounding it is still a pretty high risk. It's a high enough risk for a tornado watch to be issued 5% or higher. There's a 30% wind risk, which means there is a 30% chance for damaging winds within 25 miles of a point. And there's also a 30% hail risk for that same region, with large hail also expected. Going into day 3, which would be Monday, there is a large flight risk region in the Midwest Great Lakes region, which could get upgraded to an enhanced risk by day 1 when the time comes. However, that is pretty unclear as models are differing each run, so uncertainty is pretty high. But cities included are Chicago, Indianapolis, St. Louis, Fort Wayne, Grand Rapids, and Milwaukee is on the border there of that slight risk. We cannot see individual probabilities this far out. However, it is safe to say, based on the discussion that the Storm Prediction Center has attached, there will be at least a low-end tornado risk throughout this entire risk region, with damaging winds being the most dominant threat. Let's get right into the models. This is the latest NAM 3K model, and this would be Sunday evening, October 10th, and you can see some convection firing up in Texas going into Oklahoma. Some of this convection could bring strong tornadoes. And as you can see here, going into the late evening hours, that convection fires up even more and starts moving further into Oklahoma and slightly out of Texas. Again, strong tornadoes possible. Before that convection starts to merge into a line by the overnight hours, going from Kansas into Texas, you can see a line trying to form there. And by very early morning on Monday, you can see the line's not quite too strong. It's pretty weak, actually. And it actually looks like it starts dissipating as it moves into Illinois Monday morning, where that other risk is. And most of it actually does dissipate, with the exception of central Illinois. But that line, a broken line of possibly severe thunderstorms, redevelops Monday afternoon, potentially bringing an increased severe weather risk for the region. Overall, the severe weather risk across the next few days is very high, and you should have multiple ways to receive alerts should you live in any area that has a severe risk. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Goodbye.